Hello children, welcome to Math Park. Today's topic is solution of right triangles. This is again related with trigonometry. So this exercise is going to be solved in two parts. So if you like it, please share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. So we start with the first question. So this involves trigonometry. It is related with the right triangles. So with respect to 90-degree angle, opposite side is called an hypotenuse. And this is 60 degrees. So with respect to 60 degree, if I take, this is opposite. So this is opposite. So opposite and hypotenuse, which ratio is involved? Sine. So sine 60 degree is equal to opposite side of that, which is 20, upon hypotenuse, which is x. Sine 60 value is root 3 by 2 is equal to 20 by x. So you get take cross multiplication. X moves here. X is equal to 20 into 2 upon root 3. If we rationalize this, multiplying by root 3 and dividing by root 3, we get this as x is equal to 40 root 3 divided by 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Let us put the value of root 3 as 1.732. So 1.732 and dividing by 3, multiply and divide by 3. You get the value of this as 23.09. So rounding to one decimal place, we get this as 23.1. So we have done with the first one. Let us move on to doing the second one of this. So this is opposite with respect to 30 and this is adjacent. So opposite and adjacent we will be using tan ratio. So we have tan 30 is equal to opposite by adjacent, that is 20 upon x. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 is equal to 20 by x. So you get x is equal to 20 root 3. Let us put the value of root 3 as 1.732. So 20 times 1.732, you get this as 34.64. Got it? So we have done 2. Let us move to the third part. So this is 45 degree. With respect to 45, the opposite side is, and the unknown which is to be found out is hypotenuse. So opposite and hypotenuse, we have sine ratio. So we have sine 45 is opposite, which is 20 upon hypotenuse, which is x. Sine 45 is 1 upon root 2 is equal to 20 by x. So you get x is equal to 20 root 2. Let us put the value of root 2 as 1.41. So value of root 2 is 1.41. So 20 times 1.41, just double it. So you get this as 28.2. Got it? So we did with question number 1. Here in question number 2, we have to find the angle when the sides are given. So with respect to this angle A, again, this is the hypotenuse because it is opposite side to 90 degree and this is adjacent. So opposite and adjacent, hypotenuse and adjacent, which ratio is involved? So it is cos. So we have cos of A is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse. So adjacent here, this is your adjacent side, which is 10 and hypotenuse is 20. So which is 1 by 2. And we know that cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. So this implies A is equal to 60 degree. Got it? With respect to angle A, this is again opposite side and this is your hypotenuse because 90 opposite is hypotenuse. So opposite and hypotenuse, again we will be using sine ratio. Sine of A is opposite side, which is 10 upon root 2 divided by hypotenuse, which is 10. So this is equal to 10 upon root 2 into 1 by 10. So this is 1 upon root 2. So sine A is equal to 1 upon root 2. We know that sine 45 is equal to 1 upon root 2. So this implies A is equal to 45 degree. Next question, the third part of this, you have A again, and this is opposite side and this is adjacent side. So opposite and adjacent, we'll be using tan ratio. So you have tan A is equal to opposite side, which is tan root 10 root 3 divided by adjacent side, opposite upon adjacent. So which is root 3. Now tan A is equal to root 3 and we know that tan 60 is equal to root 3. So this implies A is equal to 60 degree. Got it? So this is the common part when we have to find x. So 60 with respect to that, this is adjacent side. Let us take this as A. So if I have to find A, we will be using a tan ratio. So we have tan 60 is equal to opposite of that is 30 upon adjacent side, which is A. So tan 60 is root 3 is equal to 30 upon A. So you get A is equal to 30 upon root 3. And if I rationalize it, it becomes root 3 into root 3. If I do it, you get this as 30 root 3 upon 3, and this is 3 tens are, so you get this as 10 root 3. Now you got A as 10 root 3. This you got 10 root 3. Now we have to find X. Now with respect to X, this is opposite. So we'll be, and this is hypotenuse. So we will be using sine X is equal to opposite side, which is 10 root 3 upon hypotenuse, which is 20. And simplifying this, you get this as root 3 upon 2. And we know that sine 60 is equal to root 3 upon 2. This implies X is equal to 60 degree. Got it? And AD. So this is a rectangle. BCDE is a rectangle. So opposite sides are equal. So we get DE as 10 meter and BE as 50 meter. Now we got 50. We want to find AD. One part is known. We have to find AE now. So with respect to 45 degree, this is adjacent and this is opposite side. So we'll use tan 45 is equal to opposite, that is AE, upon adjacent, which is BE. Now tan 45 is 1 is equal to AE upon BE, which is 50, as opposite sides of rectangle are equal. So this is how you get AE is equal to 50 meter. And then you are asked to find AD. So AD is equal to AE plus DE, that is 50 plus 10. 50 plus 10, that is equal to 60 meters. Got it? Number 2, we have to find AD. Now this is 60 degree given. So you have this angle will be 120 degree by linear pair. Let us take these two angles as x and x because these two parts are given as equal. So by angle sum property, you get 2x plus 120 is equal to 180. So you get 2x is equal to 180 minus 120, which is 60. So x is equal to 60 by 2, that is 30. So you got these angle as 30 now. This angle is 30. Now in triangle ABD, we will be using, this is a 30 degree angle and this is the opposite side and hypotenuse. So we will use sine 30. Sine 30, that is sine B. We are using angle B is equal to opposite side, which is AD, upon hypotenuse, which is AB. We know that sine 30 is half is equal to AD upon AB is given as 100. So take this 100 over here. So 100 upon 2 is equal to AD. So you get AD is equal to 50 meters. Got it? Of AD, this part given in triangle ABC is given as 60 degree. Okay, and angle DBC is 45 and this is 40 centimeter. BC is given as 40 centimeter. So if this angle, so we will be using the tan ratio for triangle. In triangle DBC, you will use tan 45 is equal to opposite, that is DC, upon adjacent, which is BC. So tan 45 is 1 is equal to DC upon 40. So this is how you got DC is equal to 40 centimeter. You got DC as 40 centimeter. Now you have to find AD. So we will be using now opposite and adjacent again. So in triangle ABC, we will use tan 60 degree is equal to opposite side, which is AC, upon adjacent, which is BC. So tan 60 is root 3 is equal to AC upon BC, which is 40. Now take this 40 over here. So you get AC is equal to 40 root 3. You got AC as 40 root 3. We need to find AD. So you get AD is equal to AC minus DC, which is AC is 40 root 3 minus DC is 40. So which is 40 taken common. We have root 3 minus 1. So 40 root 3 is 1.732 minus 1. So which we get it as 40 times 0.732. So let us multiply this as 29.28 centimeters. So this is how you get AD is equal to 29.28 centimeter. Find the length of the diagonals AC and BD given AB is equal to 60. The sides are given as 60 centimeter and angle BAD. This is the angle BAD is given as 60 degree. Now we know that the diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at right angles. So these all are right angles now. And they also bisect the angle at vertex. So this is 30 and then this is 30 now. Or this angle is 30 and this angle is 30. And let us take this sides as x and x because it is bisecting, and this one as a y and y. It bisects. So let us use for triangle. So let us say that they are intersecting at point O. So in triangle AOB, we will be using, this is 90 degrees, so this is hypotenuse. So we will find the adjacent. So we have cos 30 degree is equal to adjacent, which is x. Adjacent is x upon hypotenuse is 60. The cos 30 is root 3 by 2 is equal to x upon 60. So 230 is 60. So this is how you get 30 comes here. You get x is equal to 30 root 3. We got x is equal to 30 root 3. Now we want to find the, so x and x, this is also 30 root 3. So the AC, the length of diagonal AC is equal to 2 times 30 root 3, which is 60 root 3. Put the value of root 3 as 1.732. So 60 into 1.732, you get the diagonal AC as 103.92 centimeter. We got the diagonal AC. Now let us find the another diagonal BD. For that, the same triangle we will be using, but we will take now Y. So for that, we will use, so for the same triangle, we will use opposite and hypotenuse. So with respect to 30, this is opposite is Y. So we'll use sine 30 degree is equal to opposite is y upon hypotenuse is 60. Sine 30 is half is equal to y upon 60. So 230 is and you get y is equal to, this moves over here with 30 centimeter. And then you have the diagonal BD. AC we found out. Now BD is twice y. So you have BD is equal to 2 times y, which is 2 times 30, that is 60 centimeter. Got it? For question number 7, you have to find AB. That is, this distance is what you have to find out. Now, we can use the triangle AFC. So, in triangle AFC, in this triangle, you have tan 45 is equal to opposite, which is FC upon AC. Tan 45 is 1, FC is 20 upon AC. You get AC is equal to 20 centimeter. So they have not given the unit. So let us write there 20 centimeter. We got AC. Now in triangle, this one, in triangle BDE. So in triangle BDE, we will be using opposite and adjacent. So we will again use tan 60. So you have tan 60 is opposite, which is DE, upon adjacent, which is BD. So tan 60 is root 3 is equal to DE, which is 30 upon BD BD. So this is how you get BD is equal to cross 30 upon, you get BD. This is denominator is BD. Okay. This is BD, not able to write here. So you get BD is equal to 30 upon root 3. So if you rationalize this, you get this as 30 root 3 upon 3, which is 10 root 3. Okay, so 10 root 3. And if we put the value of root 3 as 1.732, you get this as 17.32 centimeter. Now the target is finding CD. So what we will do is we will draw a perpendicular over here. Okay, so let us say FG is perpendicular to DE, and this is how you get this as a right, it is a right triangle and it is a rectangle. So opposite sides are equal. So this is 20 and 30 minus 20, we get this as 10. We got this as 10. Now the adjacent to 60 is 10 and opposite is FG that we have to find out. So we will use for triangle FGE, we will use tan 60 is equal to opposite upon adjacent. Opposite is FG upon adjacent is 10, that is GF that we have said that 10. Tan 60 is again a root 3 is equal to FG upon 10. So you get Fg is equal to 10 root 3, which is again 17.32 centimeter. And then you have to find AB, add all the parts. So AB is your the first part, that is AC, which was 20 plus CD, opposite sides are equal. So FG, if FG is 17.32, your CD is also is 17.32. So 17.32 plus BD is also 17.32 plus 17.32. Let us add this all together. So we get this as 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 3, 6. And add this 20, 17 plus 17 is 34, 34 plus 20 is 54. So this is 54.64 centimeter is the distance AB. In trapezium ABCD, you are given AD, BC and DC are all 20 centimeter, and this is an isosceles trapezium. In isosceles trapezium, the base angles are equal, so you get this 60. So let us drop a perpendicular from D, let us say DE, and let us drop a perpendicular from C, let us say this is CF, and then we have opposite sides are equal of a rectangle. This becomes a rectangle. So you get EF is equal to 20 centimeter. Now let us use trigonometry for these two triangles, wherein we have to find AE, since we are asked to find the length of AB. So length of AB we are asked to find. Now for that, if you have to find length AB, we need to find AE and BF, and both of them are the congruent triangles. Just working for one, we will be able to do it. So we can use adjacent and hypotenuse. So we will be using cos 60 degree is equal to adjacent is AE upon hypotenuse is 20. Cos 60 is half is equal to AE upon 20. So you get 2 ones and 2 tens. You get AE is equal to 10 centimeter. Same way we will be using over here. So you also get BF is equal to 10 centimeter similarly. And this we have found it as 20 already said over here. So you get AB is equal to AE plus EF plus BF. Let us add all of these parts. So AE is 10, EF is 20 and BF is 10. So using this, we get this as 40 centimeter. So AB you got 40 centimeter. Now we have to find the distance between AB and DC. So which is the parallel distance. This is what we have to calculate, either DE or EF. The distance is always a perpendicular distance. So distance between AB and DC, we need to find this. So opposite and hypotenuse, we will be using a sine ratio over here. So we have a sine 60 sine 60 is equal to opposite, that is DE upon hypotenuse is AD. So sine 60 is root 3 by 2 is equal to DE is what we have to calculate, and AD is 20 centimeter. So 2 ones and 2 tens are, this 10 goes here. You get DE is equal to 10 root 3. Put the value of root 3 as 1.732. So we get this as 17.32 centimeter is the distance between AB and DC. The perpendicular distance. So distance between AB and DC is 17.32 centimeter. Very easy question. So what we can do is we will be using, this is opposite and this is adjacent. So we will use the in triangle APQ, we will use tan 30 is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite is 10 centimeter and adjacent is what is AP, and tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 is equal to 10 upon AP. So you get AP is equal to 10 root 3, which is 10 times 1.732. This is 17.32 centimeters. So we got AP as 17.32. Now let us use this triangle. So we have in triangle BRP, we will be using now tan 45. So we have tan 45 is equal to opposite, that is BP, upon adjacent, that is BR. Tan 45 is 1 is equal to BP upon 8. So you get BP is equal to 8 centimeter. Then AB is equal to, add this both, that is 17.32 plus 8. 8 plus 17 is 25.32 centimeter is your distance AB. Got it? Have this is 45. So for this triangle, this is 30 and this is a right triangle over here. So the opposite sides are equal. So this becomes a rectangle. This is 30. So this becomes a rectangle. So we get this DE. We get DE also is equal to 30 centimeter. Now you got DE as 30 centimeter. You are asked to find length AB. So we'll use tan 45 for this triangle. So in a triangle ADE, you have tan 45 is equal to opposite, that is AE, upon adjacent, which is DE. So you get tan 45 is 1 is equal to AE upon 30. So this is how you get AE is equal to 30 centimeter. Now we have to find BE because we are asked to find length of AB. So here now 60-degree angle is given and opposite and adjacent. So we will be using in triangle BDE. We will again use tan 60-degree is equal to opposite is BE upon adjacent is DE. Tan 60 is root 3 is equal to BE upon DE is again 30. So you get BE is equal to 30 root 3. So 30 root 3 and this was a 30. So you get AB is equal to AE plus BE, which is AE was 30 plus 30 root 3, that is 30 taken common, 1 plus root 3. So this is 30 in bracket 1 and root 3 value is 1.732. So which we get it as 30 times 2.732. Let us multiply, which we get it as 81.96 centimeter. So this is how you get AB is equal to 80. AB is equal to 81.96 centimeters. So we have done with 10 questions, children. Next questions will be solved in the next part. So if you like it, please share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.